Hello everyone, I'm Ryan. Welcome to my channel for another adventure video.
Today is a full video of our first ice fishing of the year. We start our day by packing all the stuff we need before heading to the lake.
Yeah, the mat we're stepping on.
Now that we're ready, we need to look for a spot where we're going to set up everything. Now that we find a spot, first thing we do is drill a hole and put our fish finder to check if there's some fish in the area before we set up everything. Now that we drill enough holes, we're now ready to set up our ice shack and put everything inside. So now everything is set up. It's time for fishing, guys. I fast forward this part of the video until we finally caught a decent sized fish.
Size of that fish. That's a nice Mariah, baby. They don't have any teeth either. See, it's like looks like catfish with these fish, eh?
But they don't have one of those things.
You got it.
I'm not sure if you can see all those ice shacks, but those are people fishing with their vehicle all the way in the middle of the lake. How cool is that, right? Like this one, with the truck beside his ice shack, all the way to that spot. that's the end of this video. If you want to see the video that we drive our car through the ice, please hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when our next video is up. And leave a comment if you have suggestion what we should do next. Thank you for watching, everyone. Okay, done for tonight. Ice fishing. Middle of nowhere. We're packing up for a night.